can see here, it's a normal day, but it really is not, because smog and air pollution is hurting and killing people every day. The way to stop it is, like, acid rain is very dangerous because it's higher amount of acid than rain usually has, and you can avoid it by driving smaller cars or not driving cars at all, or getting a hybrid or full electric car, or you can walk like these kids are walking outside right now. Because if there's an increase of these fossil fuels, then people might start getting the disease of asthma. The more people, asthma is pretty much the disease that makes it harder for people to breathe. So they have to get fresh air. Some of them have to use oxygen tanks, because where they live, there's a lot of coal being burned, lots of diesel being burned around them, and all together just smog. And acid rain is a product of photochemicals from the air and from other there's natural chemicals that can cause pollution. There's unnatural. Unnatural would be an example, like burning fossil fuels in the car, and the natural would be like a volcano eruption or trees burning, and also if you burn, the less fuel that we burn, the more likely that less people will be getting asthma, and we could eventually find a way to stop people from getting it. Because if the air is totally clean, there's no way to get asthma. But if we completely take away carbon dioxide, it's still going to be bad too, because there'll be no oxygen. Because carbon dioxide is part of making oxygen. Because carbon dioxide is part of photosynthesis, and without photosynthesis, there will be no oxygen. So pretty much there will be no water either. So that would mean that people will either suffocate or die of dehydration, pretty much. So also, it has a deadly deal on animals, because fish that swim in the water that acid rain is polluting also they'll most likely die, or maybe they'll get a mutation of some sort. Like, if they get the mutation, they might not look different, but if they reproduce, their offspring might get a mutation from the infected parent. And because this has happened many times, like two normal parents, and there'll be acid rain for a while. Then you'll see their offspring, and there's going to be 2-3-headed turtles. For just example, like just turtles swimming and eating